my princess. Your eyes, your voice makes my love so true.
I used to run from your Yardman Flame,
but I realize now,
fire like mine is what keeps a man tame.
You walked in the room like a summer storm, eyes like embers, voice so warm. I was too proud, played too cool. Now I know I was the fool. Your love burned deep but never wild. You teach this man to soften, smile. We used to hide behind the pride. Now me want you close by my side.
I used to cry when you turned away, but love's not lost when it learns to stay. You had your fire, I had my rain. We met in thunder, but now there's no pain. I see the truth in your gentle eyes and feel the heat, no need for lies. You touch my heart without a word, and now I fly like a lovebird. Jamaican fire,
Jamaican fire,
Yardman Flame, burn like pepper, yet you keep me tame. Burn me so, but not in vain. You held me close, we let go pride. Now me heart got no place to hide. We dance slow, me girl, me light. From sundown to morning bright. No more quarrel, no more pain. I love you soft through joy and rain. You don't have to speak, I feel your need. I'm not your fight, I'm the air you breathe. Come lay your fears down in my arms. I'll keep you safe, I'll keep you warm.
Jamaican fire, me Yardman Flame, sweet like sorrel, strong like rain. You hot like pepper, yet you keep me tame. You found my soul, you knew my name. You are my Jamaican fire. You touch my heart, I'm in love again.
may you so run from fire.